every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love.
Hi glamours, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Coco Vanity, and I'm back with another video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press that notification bell and leave a comment below. So today I'll be letting y'all see how I slay this Ocean Deep Blue, Royal Blue, giving me paradise vibes in the fall. This wig is from Shake and Go FREETRESS, and this wig is so beautiful. It has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and 2 straps in the back. It has a part on the side, and it is so beautiful. So come and get into this slay and watch how I slayed this wig. And at the end of this video, I also will be showing you how I did my skincare and what I use to keep my skin so refreshed, moisturized, and glowy under my foundation. And I also will be showing you how I do my brows and what I use to keep my brows in tip-top shape. So let's get into this slay. Everything I use will be in the description box below. And I forgot to mention that the price of this wig is under $30, and I got it from my little community.
I've been riding around, I've been rolling, slow motion, I got to open. I can surely decide my devotion. She calls off and skeptical of my motives. Cause I did some dirt on my past, but shit, you wanna know what's real. All the things that I found out, running through word of mouth, so much shit I allow. And I'm still not putting you down, cause I want you around, we can cruise through town. Conversation is good for your mind. If you think this a game, I'll play with your mind, I'll play with your mind. I get lost when I think it, but I can never ever change for you. Even though I'm not sure about us, you got my brain amused. It never ever did find love. It won't make sense to think you. Take you out of them clothes, show you a thing or two. I feel tired, I've been riding around, I've been rolling, slow motion, I got to open. I can surely decide my devotion. She pulls up and skeptical of my motives. They say they not giving a damn, but I got they focus now. So much that I found out, something bad talk about me, dog, that's so well. And damn, I want you around, but I also rather be up out of the house. You said you ain't taking your time, I blazed the case, and I'm shaking the spot, I ain't wasting no time. She said it's danger to hang with you, all the things you will bring me through. Don't pick up when you call me up. She done got this whole thing confused. Thinking I can't find enough. Once I let you go by, and I don't even know why. You a whole prize, I'll take us high. When I get you lit in my ride, no, you came and changed the vibe. No playing both sides, that's a no fly. So tell me where your mind at, thinking I'm someone they plot at. I never knew why they would try that. I don't even gotta mind that. When I hear something to ya, just gotta know what I'm on to. Tell me if you wanna lose out. I see no heat, so envious they creep slow. That's what I got this heat for. And I got a mind that knows what's worth chasing. Though if you leave me be, and I'll be well off. But things in my mind won't go. And it's so strange, I'm like propane, just need your flame. So grab with time, and if you don't mind it, I'm giving signs. You really got me trying. If we close on my door, give me a show and an encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My times I go, trying to find more. If we close on my door, give me a show and an encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My times I go, trying to find more. I'm wanting you, moments never stay forever. You saying all these things I never knew. On the low, you got me so amused. But if it's all just still phase, it's never time that you waste. I'ma give you all you can gain, yeah. When it change, yeah, have no shame, yeah. But you know you can't brag and look me up in both eyes. Start telling me some more lies. I told you that shit won't fly. Damn, what I'm supposed to do if I have it all confused? I'm parading to my own blues, waiting so long for you. A mind that knows what's worth chasing. Though if you leave me be, and I'll be well off. The things in my mind won't go. And it's so strange, I'm like propane, just need your flame. So back with time, and if you don't mind it, I'm giving signs. You really got me trying. If we close on my door, give me a show and an encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My times I go, trying to find more. If we close on my door, give me a show and an encore. I need to know, I'm not sure. My times I go, trying to find more.
Thank y'all for watching my video. Press that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Press the notification bell. And thank you for the love on YouTube. Press that notification bell. Leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, glamours. Hey, Coco Vanity has arrived. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Came back, like living on the side. Once I let you go by.